Many believe bigger TVs mean better viewing. But size isn't everything for immersive entertainment. Hi, I'm a certified home tech advisor. Let's rethink what makes a TV truly exceptional. Clarity, color, and smart features matter most. Today, I'm introducing the Vizio 32-inch Full HD Smart TV. It's designed for those who appreciate quality details. Full HD 1080p delivers sharper visuals than standard HD. Experience vivid contrast and true-to-life colors. Full array LED backlight ensures balanced brightness. Active pixel tuning refines every image pixel. See every detail, even in fast-moving scenes. HDR10 support on HDMI brings out subtle highlights. Gamers benefit from auto low latency mode. Enjoy smoother, more responsive gameplay instantly. Vizio OS offers instant access to built-in apps. Stream Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more easily. Browse hundreds of free channels with WatchFree+. Thousands of on-demand titles are just a click away. Customize your home screen for personal convenience. Manage subscriptions and updates with a Vizio account. Stay current with automatic product enhancements. Bluetooth headphone support means private listening anytime. No more disturbing others during late-night movies. Connect wireless headphones for immersive sound. DTS Virtual X delivers cinema-inspired surround audio. Enjoy rich, room-filling sound without extra equipment. Alexa compatibility enables hands-free control. Google Cast lets you stream from mobile devices. Share photos and videos instantly with family. Vizio thin frame design fits beautifully in any space. Sleek, modern, and compact for bedrooms or offices. Visa wall mount compatibility offers flexible installation. Multiple HDMI and USB ports for easy connection. Plug-in gaming consoles, soundbars, and more. Award-winning customer support backs every purchase. Vizio is America's #1 soundbar brand. Over 20 years of innovation and reliability. Energy-efficient design saves you money yearly. Estimated annual cost is just $19. Ideal for cost-conscious users and small spaces. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and guest rooms. Merchants love its versatility and performance. Tech-savvy users appreciate seamless app integration. The intuitive interface makes navigation effortless. Vizio mobile app offers remote control convenience. Browse content and launch apps from your phone. Switch between live TV and streaming in seconds. WatchFree Plus provides 300+ free live channels. Access over 25,000 on-demand movies and shows. No subscriptions required for free content. Bluetooth headphones deliver uninterrupted audio. Enjoy music, movies, and games cable-free. HDR10 gaming monitor mode enhances every detail. Competitive gamers see what opponents often miss. True-to-life colors make sports and movies pop. Integrated streaming apps keep entertainment at your fingertips. Bezel-less design maximizes your viewing area. Dual HDMI and USB ports offer versatile connectivity. Optical audio out supports premium sound systems. RT support simplifies home theater setups. Vizio OS enables instant photo and video sharing. Multi-device compatibility for a connected home. Intuitive remote makes channel surfing easy. User-friendly interface suits all ages and skills. See lifelike 1080p picture quality in every scene. Ideal for merchants and home entertainment enthusiasts. Upgrade your viewing experience without overspending. Choose Vizio 32-inch Full HD Smart TV today. Visit our website or local store to learn more. Experience clarity, color, and convenience firsthand. Transform your space with smarter entertainment. Don't settle for less. Choose Vizio quality. Create your Vizio account for full smart features. Unlock the future of home entertainment now. Vizio, where innovation meets everyday living. Start watching, gaming, and streaming smarter today. Make your next TV a Vizio.